Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this affordable dinner for two. Okay guys, so let's start by cooking our potatoes first. Here I have some russet potatoes. I went ahead and washed and just sliced them medium size thin. I have some melted butter, paprika, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and some black pepper. So the first thing you want to do is add a little salt to the water. Not a lot because we don't want to make it salty. So you're going to add the salt, then we'll add the potatoes and allow them to boil for about, let's say, 8 to 10 minutes. You don't want them to be soft. You want them firm to the touch because we'll be cooking them some more inside of the oven. So once they're done, you want to go ahead and just add your butter to the potatoes as well as the rest of the seasoning. Mix well and set that aside. I'll show you what to do next in a minute. So at this point, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the potatoes onto a large baking tray, and then we will place these potatoes in the oven and allow them to cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once they become nice and golden brown, they are done. Trust me, it is so delicious, and this is my new favorite way to make potatoes. So once the potatoes are done, this is how they're looking. I like to go over them with some fresh parsley for garnish. And once I'm ready to serve, I brush with melted butter and enjoy. This is my new favorite way to make potatoes. So let's go ahead and prepare some baby bok choy. You know, sometimes I like to switch it up from the regular vegetables we usually use. So here I went ahead and washed the bok choy thoroughly, and I'll be using some oyster sauce, soy sauce, chili and oil, and some garlic paste. So the first thing you want to do is preheat a pot, and we'll go ahead and just saute the garlic paste just to allow it to become nice and fragrant. Then we'll go in with our bok choy. We will cover this just to allow it to wilt a bit, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients. So once it wilts, it will become easier to manage. So now we can go in and just give it a stir, and then we will add our soy sauce, the oyster sauce, the chili in oil, and we will give it a stir. We will allow it to go for about 2 more minutes. You never want to overcook your bok choy. You still want it to have a little crunch and a bite when you're ready to serve. So we'll just allow it to go for 2 more minutes. And that's basically it. It is so simple, but this is absolutely delicious. You guys will enjoy it. Now let's go ahead and prepare the salmon. Here I have 2 salmon fillet that I went ahead and washed. And to season that, I'll be using some paprika, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, complete seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and some oil. So basically you want to go ahead and just combine all of your seasonings. This will give you an even distribution onto your salmon. So once we are done combining them, we'll go ahead and just add the oil. Make sure that the salmon is nicely coated with the oil, and then we will add our seasoning. Make sure that the seasonings are coated too onto the salmon, and then we will allow it to sit and marinate for about 10 minutes or so. Seafood, it takes well to seasoning. It don't take a long time to season, so you don't need to have it sitting for hours or anything like that. 10 minutes, it's just fine. Now to a preheated skillet, I will add my salmon and allow to go for about 4 minutes per side. The cook time depends on how thick your salmon is or how you like your salmon. Some people like their salmon to be medium or rare. Some like it well done. So cook your salmon to your desired doneness. Once it's nice and golden on one side, you want to flip it and allow it to cook evenly on the other side. Once it is all done, remove and get ready to plate. So good. And here you have it, my idea of a delicious, affordable dinner. My husband and I truly enjoyed it, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.